Hi, Dave at the Tai Chi Studio. Thank you for your interest in the workshop on the 9th of September for our Earth workshop. Chances are that most of the people who are going to sign up for this are people who already come to the studio, do workshops or classes. That's good. But if you're a complete beginner, it doesn't really matter. You still get a nice workshop. So Earth is one of the main elements because it holds all the others together and ensures a sort of a nice, easy transition from one to the other. If you was looking at a compass, it would be the sort of point where the needle's on, the centre point. So Earth relates to late summer or Indian summer, so we might be a little bit early for it, but as it's our first one back after our little August break-in workshops, it's a nice one to start with. Okay, so Earth relates to your stomach and your spleen and the emotion of worry. Okay, so what we're looking to do though is work to find trust, spaciousness, nurturing, all those sort of the good side of Earth. Okay, and release our worry, tensions. Okay, so it should be a really nice workshop. As you all know, we have a little tea break, a little chat, so we'll get to know each other as well. I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully you are too. So, sign up and see you on the 9th of September. Cheers.